This is the story about the honeybee and the bear. The bear is going to be a robber. So here's the honeybee. And the honeybee lives with all his other friend bees in the hole in the tree. And look, the sun is coming up. Here's a bee. He's flying all around. And he's looking for food. He's looking for some nectar to drink. Oh, he found a flower that has nectar. There you go, little bee. Watch out, little bee. The bird might want to eat you. Oh yes, fly away. Don't let him get you. Watch out, little bee. The fish might try to eat you. Uh-oh. Or the frog. Frogs like to eat bees too. Oh. Just get away. Yes, just in time. Perfect. Here's the butterfly that came by the tree where all the bees live. Hello, bees. Hello, butterfly. When the bee gets inside the tree, he has to tell a story of where the honey is. And look, he's telling a story right there. Go left, then right by the tree, then over the hill, and then there are the flowers. That's what you have to do. Now you know where the nectar is. Here's a bee putting some honey in the honeycomb. Now comes the page where the bear is coming. Here's the bear. Now you know about bears. Bears love to eat honey. It's like one of their favorite foods after berries. And this bear is going to try to eat the honey that the bees have collected in the tree. Oh yes, there he goes. He's licking all the honey. Oh, so good, yes. But the bees don't want the bear to take all their honey, so one bee got so mad and stung him on his nose. Ow, 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 that hurts. Yes, that hurts a lot. And it made the bear run away. Look, he's running away. I'm leaving. I'm going to eat berries now. Look, when the night came and the moon came out, all the bees were inside a tree taking a nap. The end.